if you feel lost right now, this will help you find your direction. Just focus on your next step. Minsan kasi nasi-stress out tayo kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung gagawin eh. Ang daming open doors, ang daming opportunities, ang daming yaya in doing this business or itong klaseng work. But what we can do is just focus on your next step. Minsan kasi gusto natin makita na agad yung the whole staircase kung saan tayo papunta, ano yung destiny natin, ano yung calling natin. Okay yun, pero minsan hindi pa natin alam eh. And we are overwhelmed or stressed out kasi wala pa. We will do is, my suggestion is focus on the next step. Paano yun? What's on your hand? Anong resources na meron ka? Sino yung kakilala mo? Ano yung pwede mong gawin doon? You try it out. And pagka trinay mo, malalaman mo kung ano yung nag-work, ano yung gusto mo, and it would inch you closer to the things that you would really want and in your direction.